Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious steak bite pieces. So to get started, you are going to be needing some beef. I am using a bottom round roast for mine that I will be cutting up, and you will be needing 1 bell pepper and 1 lime to clean your meat, and I have 1 onion and about 3 big sized tomatoes. Mine were frozen. And you are going to be needing a little bit of curry powder and a little bit of water and some olive oil as well, and of course some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. Let's get cooking, guys. To get started, you are going to want to remove as much of the fat out of your beef as possible. So just take your knife and run it, and like I said, remove as much as you can. Okay. If you haven't, please go follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and also on Pinterest. And if you are Haitian, please go follow my other channel on here. That channel is called Lamise Recette Creole. I do speak Haitian Creole in that channel, so if you're Haitian, please go follow me in that channel or on that channel. I will leave the link of all those down in the description box for you guys. So all I'm doing is trimming this. By the way, guys, this is a recipe that my husband does. I don't know where he got it from, or if he just created his own thing, but he's been making this and we love it. Company love it when they come over. We usually eat that with that spinach. I do have a sauteed spinach on this channel that I showed you guys. I'll leave the card that popped up will take you to that spinach, but it is delicious with that, and then some white rice. So make sure you check out the spinach video. Okay, this is pretty good. And now all I'm going to do is really cut it up so I can get some nice bite-sized pieces. Can't really talk today. Just like that. Okay. And cut this into 2. Just like that. And I'm going to wash it with my lime. So I'm really going to cut the lime, brush it on it, and then rinse it under some water, and then we can start doing the cooking process. To get started, you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high, and I'm using about 1/4 cup of olive oil, and we are going to start by sauteing our onions. I'm going to let this saute for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys what to do next. Now that my onions are like I want them, not really brown, but they are soft enough, translucent. Now you want to go ahead and put your clean meat. Remember, I cleaned the meat with some lime and rinsed it with some water. Make sure you are stirring. That's my timer. Stir everything up, and now I'm going to hit it with some salt. Of course, you wanna salt your food to your own liking, to your own tasting. And I'm going to put half a teaspoon about of black pepper, and I put a teaspoon of salt. My husband is actually guiding me through this. Like I said, this is his thing. There's certain things that he does, I let him do. Certain food that I cook, I cook myself. And now I'm going to take a little bit of that curry powder, about a teaspoon as well. I'm not really measuring that one. Is that enough? A little more? Is that good? Yeah. You didn't even look at it.
A little more. Cover the whole meat.
He's super shy to talk to you guys, I guess. About a teaspoon and a half of curry powder. Roughly, let's say. And stir it. And do we cover it next? And now with your stove still on medium high, you want to cover this and make sure it cooks until all the liquid come out of that beef, and then it'll just be some oils. A little bit of oil left behind, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it and let it cook for a good 15 minutes. But make sure you check on it, of course, to make sure it's not burning or anything. Now, as you can see, all the liquid is gone. We are remain with the oil. From the oil we put in, and also the oil of the meat. And I did not need the whole bell pepper. I'm using really a quarter of the bell pepper chopped up. My husband did not communicate that too well, and I'm just going to dump the whole tomatoes in there. We don't have to worry about chopping them up, because once they are cooked, they are going to be nice and soft enough to kind of break it down with our spoon. So I'm going to allow this to cook again for a good 10 minutes, okay, before we add in a little bit of water. Now you want to go ahead and put about 2 cups of water in here. This was 3 in here, I put 2. And now you want to cook this until all that water is gone. He said he liked doing this because he want to make sure the meat is nice and soft as possible. That way you don't have to fight trying to chew that meat. So you want to go ahead, like I said, put the cover on it and let it cook until all the water, almost all the water is gone. And I'll come back and show you guys what it should look like. Make sure you are tasting your food so you can make sure your salt is enough, okay? Alright guys, the video is pretty much done. It smells so delicious. I can smell all that curry in there. And I will show you guys how thick that gravy is. As you can see, we like a little bit of gravy in there, but if you want less, you can definitely let it cook a little more. We are going to be eating this with some white rice. I do really like it though when I make fried rice to eat with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste a piece. It is super hot, as you can tell. I'm gonna put it to the side and taste the gravy just to make sure the salt is enough, which I already know it's enough, but just to double check. Yummy, yummy. And we are making some spinach to the side here. I will give you guys a complete look of what everything looked like once I plate it, and that's my piece of meat. Just so delicious. But like I said, my husband liked doing this for us. He guided me through this video. So if you like it, please give this recipe a try. I promise you guys will really enjoy it. I know we absolutely love this. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know what team you are going for this NFL and Super Bowl. So let me know which team you're supporting, and let me know if you guys try this recipe as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, comment, like, and share. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.